To enter one of the interactive screens, select a topic from the Chart section menu. At first glance, you will notice that the chart screens contain colorful images and a clear layout to help engage students. There are also audio clips, animations, and interactivities to help cater for students of all learning styles. When first entering a chart screen, all text and images appear on. However, this can be changed within the Settings section, enabling users to start from a blank canvas and slowly introduce key information to control the pace of the lesson. The text and images can also be removed using the on and off buttons on the toolbar or by clicking on individual text or images. In this screen, users are able to select shapes and fractions from the drop-down menus to see various examples of fractions in real-life objects. This is a simple yet effective tool that will help students gain a better understanding of the basics of fractions and is one of the many interactivities available across the math software. As you move through the chart screens, you will notice the extent of the content in the product. There is a natural progression from one screen to the next, making it easy for students to work through the topics. Within each screen, users can edit or add the content using the pen, highlighter, text box, and eraser tools within the toolbox. This is extremely useful for creating custom presentations, interactive classroom activities, and your own worksheets. For example, to create a fill-in activity, I can click on the images on-off buttons and get students to label the fraction wall, either on the board using the pen or using the print screen option to print custom worksheets. Notes can also be added to each screen using the text box tool. This is a great tool that enables teachers to prepare and plan for lessons by adding notes to each screen prior to lessons. When accessing an interactive chart from the same workstation, users are given the option to restore an existing section, reloading any previous annotations in any quiz, worksheet, or fun feature progress. In addition to the annotation tools, the toolbox contains math-specific tools in the form of a calculator and protractor that can be used at any point while within the interactive chart. If we move on two screens, we can see an example of the presentation that provides a fantastic step-by-step guide to ordering fractions. The simple format makes it easy for students to understand and digest the information presented. Within this chart, there are lots of colorful and engaging interactive screens, which is indicative of all the intuitive curriculum-rich titles within the software. After you have completed the presentation, you can move on to the next feature.